the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Hello, welcome to Bill Nye the Science Guy. Unfortunately, Bill Nye was a little out of budget, so you're stuck with me, Maddie. Today, we're going to be talking about induced pluripotent stem cells, or IPS. What is IPS cells? Well, scientists for many years have been after the inner blueprint of the cell found in the nucleus, represented here. This inner goodness has the capability of becoming pluripotent, or back to a baby. Yamanaka in 2006 was able to get this inner pluripotent goodness. That's good. Follow me as we travel to Japan. Japan! Hello, and welcome to our lab in Japan. In no way, shape, or form does it look like my basement. Now, what's so great about human baby cells, you ask? Well, they are not specialized. They can become anything they want. They want to be a brain cell? Right on. Want to be a heart cell? Go for it. What Yamanaka was able to do was take the inner DNA from a hair cell, mix it with a couple ingredients, like a virus and 4 genes, and what he created was magic.
Step number 1. Gene 1. Let's add a little bit of that to the virus. Now, do you guys know how viruses work, like the flu? What they do is, this is gene 2. What viruses do is they attach themselves to your cells found in your body. They inject their DNA and basically use your cell as like a machine to produce their own mass army. And that's what Yamanaka did. He just found 4 simple genes in a virus plus a human hair cell, created a baby. Well, not a real baby, but you know what I mean. Okay, number 3. This is a beautiful color. Not really, it's just black, but... Now, with the right mood setting, a little bit of motion here. Woo, look at that, it's beautiful. We're gonna add it to our hair cell. Let's watch what happens.
That is pretty freaking awesome.
Oh my God! What do we have here? Is it a hair cell? No. Looks like we have a little baby. Yamanaka, this is why you won the Nobel Prize. Now, since 2006, researchers have tried to create a safer stem cell. The key ingredient here is a little thing called mRNA.
Messenger, ribosomal, nucleic acid. Just remember RNA.
Now, what mRNA does is it's a natural found organic thing in your body. It goes inside the cell. It takes out a little copy of the DNA. Oh, hello, make this. And then it goes, and it tells the cell what to create. Now, scientists were able to take this messenger RNA and a human hair cell and do the same thing that the viruses did. Now, isn't that a hoot? So what's so great about these IPS cells, you ask? Good question. The cool thing is, scientists can use dead or alive animals to create IPS cells.
Come on, we gotta get out of here. Now, right now. Go, let's go. Hey. Start the engine.
Must go faster.
I like where you're going with that, but not quite. Let's see what IPS is doing today. Scientists today, they make profiles from this here hair. And you know what they do? They say, this medication, it don't go down well with your DNA. And if they would have done that for Billy Joe would still be here. Thank you, Candy, for that touching tale of your husband, Billy Joe Wright. And what's so great about this is researchers have actually been able to do disease in a dish. Researcher Lang and his team were able to specify which genetic makeup reacted best and worst to leading pharmaceutical medication on heart disease. Disease in a dish will prevent death. It'll save lives. And it'll prevent animal research, testing, because we can test them on our own human people. Frank, you're gonna be next. Do you wanna die? For all you PETA lovers out there, IPS will stop animal research like this. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Imagine looking into your lover's eyes of the past 50 years and not being able to remember your first date, your first kiss, or even his first name. Yes, ladies, you know where I'm going with this because we all love that movie.
This is a good story.
I'm glad you like it.
I think I've heard it before.
Yes.
Perhaps more than once.
So I understand that you read to Miss Hamilton.
Yeah, to help her remember.
Because, you know, dementia is irreversible. It's degenerative. After a certain point, its victims don't come back.
That's what you keep telling me.
What does this have to do with IPS cells, you're asking? Well, researcher Gao and his team were studying neurodegenerative disorders. The brain is an unusual organ found in the body because it lacks the ability to make new brain cells. So what you got, you got. Don't drink, kids, or do drugs. Gao was able to take the disease in the dish and find out what causes these particular diseases. Then he was able to grow these cells into tissue and implant them into a mouse. And that mouse showed signs of improved neuroactivity. So what can we take away from this Bill Nye Madison Ham edition? Well, for starters, science is cool. It's all around us too. And the future is an induced pluripotent stem cells. What we'll be able to do is unknown. Until next time, you keep that hair fresh.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill.